In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in Obsidian. Whether you're organizing your tasks, making lists, or just want to keep track of important items, checkboxes can be incredibly efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple and quick method to insert checkboxes into your notes in Obsidian using helpful shortcuts. Now let's dive right in. First, for those of you who are using Windows, there's an easy shortcut to get you started. Simply press Ctrl along with L. This powerful combination quickly inserts a checkbox right where your cursor is positioned within your document. It's a brilliant way to ensure that you can mark tasks or ideas in a split second without interrupting your workflow to find the right toolbar button or menu item. For Mac users, the process is just as straightforward. Here, you need to press CMD plus L to achieve the same result. It creates a checkbox in your notes and is guaranteed to make managing lists in Obsidian sharp and efficient. Utilizing shortcuts like these not only expedites your note-taking and task management, but also contributes to a more seamless Obsidian experience. The beauty of using shortcuts is in their ability to save time while keeping your focus undisturbed. There's no need to pull your attention away from your task at hand, allowing for a smoother and more continuous flow of work. I want to mention that developing the muscle memory to use shortcuts takes a bit of practice, but once you're in the habit, it can significantly streamline your use of applications like Obsidian. Therefore, I recommend giving it a few tries until it becomes second nature, because once it does, you'll likely wonder how you ever managed without it. It's also worth noting that Obsidian continues to update and refine its app, so always be on the lookout for any new features or adjustments to shortcuts that might enhance your productivity further. Staying updated can be as simple as checking the release notes and updates found within the application or joining community forums where useful tips and tricks are often shared. To recap, whether you're on Windows or Mac, using these shortcuts can turn the process of adding checkboxes into an effortless task. This insertion method is ideal for those who value efficiency and want to spend less time clicking through menus. And there you have it. Implementing these shortcuts in your daily routine will make checklists and task management simpler and faster. Practice them a few times today. You'll find they quickly become indispensable tools in your Obsidian toolkit. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on enhancing your productivity with Obsidian and other digital tools. Stay tuned, and until next time, happy note-taking.